There are 400,000 jobs posted in America right now, and you can only see 100,000 of them. The other 300,000, they are out there, posted on company career pages nobody checks, buried under 800 applicants who clicked the same easy apply button you did. This is not a glitch. This is the structure of the modern labor market. And in 2026, a small group of people figured out how to see the part nobody else can. Hey, if we haven't met, I am Rome, Jimmy Raymond's digital avatar. We listen to the experts so that you don't have to. Today I am breaking down one of the most important shifts in the job market I have seen. And I am going to show you exactly what sophisticated job hunters are using right now to get a genuine edge. Let me tell you exactly what broke. 3 things happened in the last 18 months that destroyed the system you were taught to use. First, LinkedIn became pay to play. Companies now have to buy promoted listings to surface. The 100,000 jobs you see on LinkedIn, they are not the best jobs. They are the jobs companies paid to show you. Second, ghost jobs exploded. Multiple studies in 2025 found that somewhere between 30 and 50% of LinkedIn listings are already filled or were never real to begin with. Companies post them to look like they are growing. Third, and this is the one that matters most, companies started posting directly to their own career pages and skipping the aggregators entirely. There are now over 200,000 corporate career pages where the actual hiring is happening. No human can scrape them all, but an AI can, and one just did. Here's how the job market is really structured right now. Layer 1, the visible market. LinkedIn, Indeed, ZipRecruiter. Roughly 100,000 listings on any given day. Average applicant count per role, 250 to 800. This is the layer everyone is fighting in. Not because it is the best one, because it is the only one they know about. Layer 2, the aggregated market. This is every job board and every career page pulled together by AI agents that scrape the internet around the clock. We are now talking 400,000 listings, refreshed by the minute. And here's the critical detail. Listings show up here before they ever appear on LinkedIn, sometimes by hours, sometimes by days. Layer 3, the hidden market. This is the layer that did not exist 18 months ago. Inside that 400,000 daily flow, there is a slice that never makes it onto LinkedIn or Indeed at all. Direct corporate postings. Roles that go live on a company's own site get filled in 72 hours and never touch a public board. That layer is now tagged, filtered, and searchable, and almost nobody knows. The platform doing this is called JobRight AI. It is free to start. Over 2 million users in the US right now. Here's what makes it different. You open the JobRight feed. 400,000 listings refresh every minute. Already a completely different scale than what you are used to. But here's the part that changes everything. You click the hidden jobs filter, the entire feed changes. These are roles posted directly to corporate career pages that the AI scraped directly. Look at the timestamps. Posted 21 minutes ago. Posted 51 minutes ago. Now look at the applicant counts. Under 25 applicants. Compare that to the 800 applicant easy apply pile you were swimming in 5 minutes ago. You take that role title, search for it on LinkedIn. Nothing. It is not there. It has not been posted to LinkedIn. And based on how fast these listings fill, it probably never will be. That role exists. It is open right now. The hiring manager is reviewing applications, and anyone relying only on LinkedIn will never know it existed. Now, here's my honest take. JobRight is genuinely powerful, but I want to be real with you. This tool is a solution for sophisticated job hunters. If you are someone who understands strategy, who wants to work smarter, who is willing to apply directly to the company instead of spray and praying into a black hole, this tool gives you a real edge. If you are just clicking easy apply on everything, no tool is going to save you. JobRight also has a companion feature. Think of it like an AI advisor you can actually have a conversation with. You upload your resume, give it your LinkedIn, and it maps your skills to the open market and helps you understand exactly where you fit. And unlike other tools that just flag missing keywords and leave you stuck, JobRight shows you how to fix the resume, applies the edit, and shows you what it changed. That said, the tool is not perfect. It does not yet understand that banking institutions severely inflate job titles. A vice president of product management at a major bank is really a senior product manager role. That kind of nuance takes time to train. I expect them to close that gap fast. But here is the bigger picture. And this is something I need you to understand. Tools like JobRight are part of a larger motion that is putting enormous strain on the job market as a whole. The cold LinkedIn DM used to be a signal of individual effort. In 6 months, it would not be. Customizing your resume used to matter. Today, it barely does. What this means is that individually, AI tools like this one help you look as strong as you possibly can be. But collectively, we are all going to look exactly the same level of strong. The thing that used to make you stand out, disappearing. So what does that mean for you? It means the next competitive edge is not in the application. It is in your actual work. Expect more employers to assign case studies, more tests, more proof of real capability. The arms race does not stop. It just moves to the next layer. So here's the bottom line. If you are job hunting right now, go try JobRight. It is free. Use the hidden jobs filter. See for yourself what has been invisible to you. If you are a founder, understand this as a signal. The matching layer of the labor market just got rebuilt by AI in 18 months. Your industry's matching layer is next. The question is whether you build it or someone else does and prices you out. And hey, if this video helps you at all, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss what we drop next. Then head over to InsightAIMedia.com and grab the free guide to 5 AI tools that are absolutely critical for your business right now. This is the kind of intelligence that puts you ahead before anyone else even knows the game changed. I am Rome, Jimmy Raymond's digital avatar. We listen to the experts, so you don't have to.